Mind you, I know that it is almost the end of October, which is meaning it is almost the end of the National Breast Cancer Foundation fundraiser. But there's still time, okay? There is still time to help me fill my list for selling our pink spatula and our pink spoon, okay? So we have our mixing spoon and our pink baking spatula. They're both only $24.95. $1 of each one of them is going to go to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, and I'm gonna match it. Yes, I'm gonna match it, guys. So that means not $1 but $2. Look at this. I am ready for you guys. I have on my Breast Cancer Foundation pants. I've got on my little earrings too. I'm wearing a pink bracelet. I've got my pink scarf. I've got my warrior t-shirt on. I am ready for you guys. Will you help support me? Will you help me reach my goal? I am so close. Help me, will you? $24.95. These are amazing. They are Princess House, of course, so of course they're going to be amazing. $24.95. Stainless steel throughout it. The silicone is on top of it. Why not have pink in your kitchen? Hello! If you got the spatula last year, now you're going to get the baking spatula and the mixing spatula and the spoon to go with it, right? Why not? And if you know somebody that is a survivor, wouldn't they love one of these as a little gift? As a, you know, just a little gift to put in their stocking or something? Nice little gift. Or every day using it in the kitchen. So just a reminder, $24.95 plus tax and shipping, of course, and I will match it. So that's $2 for each one sold will be going to the National Breast Cancer Society. Thank you. National Cancer Foundation. Silly me. There's a difference. So here I am. My little bitmoji. If you remember my bitmoji, it's better it's not on the glass. Right? Help support the National Breast Cancer Foundation. Which one will you like? Would you like the mixing pink spoon or the pink baking spatula? Let me know. I've got my 2 pens. I have my cute little one my niece made me, and my beautiful rose one as well, to add you to my list. Thank you so much. Also, you can also be supporting by hosting your own show within the next week, because when you earn our beautiful heritage trifle blow, which is hand blown in Europe, you're also getting another donation to the National Cancer Foundation, okay? Breast Cancer Foundation. So there's multiple ways to help, and I want to be there for you, okay guys? So thank you so much. Please share out this video so others can maybe help support as well. Have a great day. Thanks guys.